It will rain tomorrow, hopefully.
How did you know?
From the weather forecast websites.
Hopefully. Did you check if the weather forecast website is a trusted site, Fatima?
Yes, I searched on many websites and they all confirmed that it will be raining.
Why are there dozens of websites that talk about the same thing?
What's wrong with that? We compare the information and pick the most likely.
Well done, Miriam. The most important step of research is the data collection phase, which is the process of collecting and measuring information on the target variables. These are two main classifications of data sources: primary data sources and secondary data sources. And how do we know it, teacher? The first one is primary data sources, which contain data that have not been collected before. And the main data is called raw primary information, and it is possible to use surveys and personal interviews to gather it.
What about secondary sources?
Secondary data sources usually come from studies conducted by institutions or other organizations. These sources include journals, newspapers, books, documents, reports, and the internet. They can be classified as internal sources, like inventory records, or external sources, such as government sources. Is all of this for knowing the weather? No, it's actually for everything we need to know about any topics that interest us. It's very important to rely on trustworthy sources when collecting information and to verify their accuracy and adherence to accepted data standards.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we learned that one of the most important stages of research data collection, which involves gathering and measuring information on the targeted variables. There are two different main classifications of data sources: primary data sources and secondary data sources. It's crucial to rely on trustworthy sources when collecting information. Goodbye.